In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook template in Canva. If you're brand new to Canva or just looking for a fast, polished result, this simple process will get you from idea to a ready-to-use design in minutes without needing any design background. Start by heading to your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, where your recent designs and recommended options appear. From here, look toward the top left and click the Create button. This is your starting point for any new design, and it opens up a wide range of formats, but today we'll keep it focused and efficient. In the search bar that appears, type the word Facebook. Canva will instantly filter design options related to Facebook, and you'll see a variety of ready-made Facebook post templates. These templates are pre-sized to fit Facebook perfectly, which means you don't have to worry about dimensions or cropping later. You'll notice a mix of styles: minimal, bold, colorful, photo-driven. So take a moment to scan through and find a look that fits your message and brand personality. When you spot a template you like, click it to select it. You can usually preview a few pages or variations, so choose the one that feels closest to what you need. Picking a template that's already in the right aesthetic saves time and helps you stay consistent. Now it's time to freely modify it. Double-click any text to replace the placeholder copy with your own message. Keep headlines short and punchy, and use the smaller text for details. If you change fonts, stick to one or two that complement each other to maintain clarity. Update colors to match your brand or the mood you're going for. High contrast combinations improve readability, especially on mobile. Swap out images or graphics to better reflect your content. If your template includes photos, choose visuals that support your message and leave enough breathing room around text so nothing feels cramped. You can adjust spacing and alignment to tidy up the layout. Small tweaks make a big difference. If an element isn't needed, simply delete it. If something's important, make it a focal point by increasing size or weight. As you edit, glance at the overall balance. Make sure there's a clear hierarchy. What should your viewer notice first, second, and third? Canva auto-saves as you go, so you can focus on refining details without worry. That's it. Open your dashboard, click Create, search Facebook, pick a template, and customize it to fit your message. You've now created a polished Facebook template in Canva, quickly and confidently.